And this is the audio from a Wyze Cam Outdoor.
This is the audio and video from a Wyze Cam version 3.
This is an audio video test on the Wyze Cam Doorbell.
With another Wyze... Do you want to go outside? Come on, go outside. Today I wanted to make another comparison video because Wyze has came out with the Wyze Video Doorbell. Now the Wyze Video Doorbell is a security camera as much as it is a video doorbell, but it just adds to the list of Wyze products. So I have a couple of clips from every single Wyze camera that is made. Let me explain. This is a Wyze Cam version 2. This is a Wyze Cam Pan. This is a Wyze Cam Outdoor. This is a Wyze Cam Doorbell. And this is a Wyze Cam version 3. Just ignore my little spotlight on top. So since I basically have every camera that Wyze has made with the exception of version 1, that's too low. I figured why not make another comparison video. So here it is, a side-by-side comparison saying essentially the exact same thing on every single camera. Giving you an example of each camera and how they look and sound. I will say that I normalize my videos, but when I do these types of videos, I put the tracks on a separate track that does not get normalized. So the sound you're hearing will 100% be the sound that actually came from the Wyze Cam. So let's get into it. Before we get to the comparison of all these Wyze video cameras, make sure you click the like button for me, click subscribe down below, and check out Indulge Clothing for our merch. Now let's check out all these cameras. So here's a comparison of all of the Wyze camera videos from version 2, version 3, Pan, Outdoor, and the Video Doorbell. This is footage directly from the cameras, so it's exactly what you would get or what you would be able to see on your phone. So let's get into the regular normal light versions.
This is the audio and video from a Wyze Cam version 2.
So this is the audio and video from a Wyze Cam Pan. And this is the audio from a Wyze Cam Outdoor.
This is the audio and video from a Wyze Cam version 3.
This is an audio video test on the Wyze Cam Doorbell.
And then this is the night vision test from all of those same cameras, audio and video.
This is an audio video test on the Wyze Cam version 2 with night vision.
This is an audio video test on the Wyze Cam Pan with night vision. This is an audio video test on the Wyze Cam Outdoor with night vision.
This is a sound and audio test on the Wyze Cam version 3 with night vision.
And this is a speaker test. So each one of these has a speaker in it, and this is what it would sound like if you were talking through your phone to that camera and someone was on the other side to hear it from the speaker on the camera. Wyze Cam version 2. Wyze Cam Outdoor. Can barely hear that one. Wyze Cam Pan. Wyze Cam version 3. This is an audio test on the Wyze Cam Doorbell. Sorry for any of that echo. I'm recording it by myself, so that's kind of how it happened. But you've still got a good idea of how each speaker on each one sounds. Alright, so that seems to do it. This video has showed you the Wyze Cam version 2, Wyze Cam Pan, Wyze Cam Outdoor, Wyze Cam version 3, and the Wyze Doorbell. A complete audio-video comparison, including a speaker test and a night vision test. So this is kind of an idea of what you can expect. Now I can say that it's sometimes hit or miss in a good way. What I mean by that is, like, you may have heard the audio quality on the Outdoor. That one kind of always sounds like that. For the Video Doorbell, for example, I've had moments where it's been crystal clear and perfect and moments where it has not been. Kind of the same for the version 2 though, the same for the Pan, and even the same for the version 3. Just sometimes the audio goes through your phone to the speaker and it's crystal clear, and other times it does not. Now this can be very confusing for people who want it to work consistently all the time. But for example, if you're on your LTE connection and you're trying to do this, you may not get as clear or as good of an experience as if you're sitting at your office on Wi-Fi. So those are just some of the things that you should think about whenever you're buying one of these cameras and worried about the quality. Now, do the cameras do what they're supposed to? Completely. And for the price that you're paying, you can't beat it. Because unless you're looking to pay $600 on a Lorex system that's going to cover your whole house and have everything wired for audio and video, that's the only way you're going to get that perfect sound and picture every single time. These are completely perfect though for around your house. If anything was to happen, you'd be able to go back to them. I would fully recommend Wyze cameras to anybody who wants cameras in their house but doesn't want to spend $600 on a giant system. Because with this system at $20 a camera, you could buy 10 cameras for only $200 and have every corner of your house completely covered. So I think that will do it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you can, click that like button for me, click subscribe down below, and check out indulgeclothing.com for our merch, and we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.
I have a package here. Would you like me to? No. The $30 doorbell from Wyze.
Yes!
Eliminated.